Mastering Productivity, Ali Abdaal's Second Brain System explained. Ever feel like your brain is overloaded with too much information? Ali Abdaal's Second Brain System provides a structured approach to capturing, organizing, distilling, and expressing ideas efficiently. By leveraging various tools and workflows, Ali has crafted a system that helps him create high-quality content, manage tasks, and store valuable knowledge effortlessly. Let's break down his 4-step process and how you can implement it in your own life. Step 1. Capture, collecting information efficiently. The first step is capturing information from various sources into a trusted, centralized system. Ali ensures that nothing valuable gets lost by using multiple tools. Physical notebooks, used for handwritten reflections, including morning pages for deep thinking. Apple Notes, the go-to for quick notes, ensuring ease of access across devices. Readwise, a hub for highlights from Kindle, Instapaper, and Readwise Reader, syncing with Roam and Notion. Day 1, a journaling app for private thoughts and personal reflections. Todoist, a task manager for capturing to-dos and reminders. Otter, a tool for recording and transcribing conversations. Clean Shot, used to capture and turn YouTube moments into GIFs for content inspiration. Ali adapts his capture process based on the purpose of the information. Apple Notes and Roam for personal notes. Notion for team projects and YouTube content. Apple Notes serves as a default dumping ground if unsure. Step 2. Organize, structuring information for easy retrieval. Once captured, information needs to be organized logically. Ali utilizes different systems depending on the type of content. Apple Notes, book-related content is organized into folders. Roam, used as a free-flowing knowledge base where organization relies on tags and search. Notion, serves as a structured tool for YouTube videos and team collaboration. Readwise, stores and categorizes highlights from books, articles, tweets, and podcasts. Ali follows the philosophy, let chaos reign, then reign in chaos. Instead of spending excessive time organizing, he trusts search functionality to resurface relevant information when needed. Step 3. Distill, extracting the essence of information. Once information is captured and loosely organized, Ali refines it into a usable format. For YouTube videos, distillation happens when scripting. He starts with his own knowledge, then references his notes and highlights before looking online. Bullet points are used to summarize ideas and uncover forgotten insights from Roam, Notion, and Readwise. Prioritizing personal insights ensures that his content remains unique rather than just rehashed internet research. Step 4. Express, bringing ideas to life. The final step is using the refined information to create valuable content. Ali focuses on minimizing friction when expressing ideas. Apple Notes is the fastest way to jot down quick ideas before transferring them to Notion for team collaboration. He considers key elements like intro, hook, and structure, CODE method, before fleshing out an outline. Title ideas, thumbnail concepts, and market research are all part of the final steps before a video is fully developed. His team then takes his notes and refines them into polished content, ensuring a seamless production process. Final thoughts, how you can implement this system. Ali Abdaal's Second Brain System is about efficiency, not perfection. By integrating a capture, organize, distill, and express framework, you can reduce cognitive overload, retrieve ideas when you need them, streamline content creation or project execution. Whether you're a content creator, student, or entrepreneur, applying these principles can help you optimize productivity and creativity in your daily life.